Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add a free shipping message to your Shopify store using built-in features. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store, then go to Themes. Next to your current theme, click Customize. In the theme editor, look for a section called Announcement Bar or Top Bar. Most Shopify themes include this at the top of the page. Click on it to open the settings. In the text box, you can type a simple message like "Free shipping on all orders" or "Enjoy free shipping today." This message will appear at the top of your store, where it's easy for customers to see. You can also choose a background color and text color that match your store's design. When you're happy with the message, click Save. Now let's make sure your shipping settings match what the message says. Go back to the main Shopify admin page. On the left menu, scroll down and click Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. Under Shipping Rates, click Manage Rates. Choose the shipping zone you want to edit. Under the zone, click Add Rate. Set the price as Free and name it something like Free Standard Shipping. Click Done, then Save. Now your store will show the free shipping message, and your checkout will also offer free shipping to your customers. Thanks for watching.